Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to add authentication to React.js app using AWS Cognito. So to start with, I would like to show you this is my package.json for my project, and here we are using this version of the React. So in my React.js app, I have a login component. So in my login component, I have implemented the functionality of authentication to using AWS Cognito. So if you don't know how to set up AWS Cognito for authentication, please go and watch video on my channel how to add authentication in Angular app using AWS Cognito. In that video, I have explained how to set up the Cognito for a basic user ID and password authentication. So I am repeating again, please watch that video how to add authentication to Angular app using AWS Cognito. It's available on my channel. So please go and have a look in that video for to understand how to do a basic setup of AWS Cognito. So once you have AWS Cognito setup is done, so after that what you have to do, you have to import the AWS SDK, Amplify SDK I am using to integrate the authentication. So you have to just import Amplify and Auth from this AWS Amplify SDK. After that, you have to configure the Amplify SDK few parameters. So here you have to give the region in which region your AWS Cognito you have configured, and then this user pool ID you have to use. So I'm gonna show you how to go to that. So once you will go to this user pool, and once you click on this, so you will see a pool ID. So this is the pool ID we are going to use over here. So this pool ID I have just created for a test or demo purpose. So this pool ID and the actual pool ID used over here are different. So don't go with that. So it's just for a demo and test purpose. They are not going to exist anymore. I'm gonna delete them after this video. And then what is the user pool web client ID? So you're gonna get it from here. So if you go in the click over here app clients, and this is the app client ID you have to use here in the user pool web client ID. And then authentication flow type you have to mention this user password authentication, because we are just integrating a basic authentication mechanism in the React.js app, and which is purely based on user ID and the password. And this code is my login component code. So you can see over here, so I'm just getting the email ID and password, so you don't need to worry about too much about what is written over here. So the main key thing over here is this. So this authentication object we are getting from Amplify, and then you are calling the sign in method where you're gonna pass user ID and password. So once you're gonna provide user ID and password to this method, it's gonna do the authentication to AWS Cognito. So you don't need to worry about this code. I'm gonna upload this code uh, in my blog website also, and I'm gonna share the link of that blog website, so you can just copy paste this code from there. I hope you like this video. So if you like, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel Better Talent. Thanks for watching.